encourage unauthorized changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartments and small items under the seat in front of you. Thank you.
Na umupo, alinsunod sa seat number na makikita sa inyong boarding pass. Mahigpit ding eroplano. Pinakikiusapan po namin ang lahat ng panauhin na ilagay ang inyong mga malalaking daladalahan sa overhead compartment. Samantala, ang mga maliliit na daladalahan ay maaaring ilagay sa ilalim ng
Passing into your guests, this is Asia Flight Z230 to Manila to all companies located in the aircraft is ready for departure. Crew members and guests aboard Air Asia. This is flight Z230 bound for Manila. The pilot in command of this flight is Captain Mark Calesino, assisted by First Officer John Copling, and I'm your senior cabin crew March together with me, the cabiner David, Justin, and senior cabin crew Crystal. This flight will take 1 hour and 15 minutes. Put your seat upright, ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, stow your tray table, and open your window shade. Please switch off all electronic devices and put it in flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarette is strictly prohibited. For safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartments. They should always be kept with you or stored in your bag placed under the seat in front of you or in the seat pocket at all times. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, mahigpit ay pinagbabawal ang paggamit at pag-charge ng power bank sa loob ng eroplano. Hindi rin dapat ito ilagay sa overhead compartment. Sa halip, maaari itong itago sa seat pocket o di kaya ilagay sa inyong bag at ilagay sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Maraming salamat po.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. Fasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Push the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please sit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Yan guys, maraming nag-aantay ng yung iba nag-aantay ng sundo dito sa baba. Yung iba nag-aantay ng Grab. Pero ako, magbubuka ako ng Grab motor. Ako lang naman mag-isa, kaya mag-Grab lang ako guys. Yan guys, may mga foreigners. Rides. nag-load talaga ako para dito guys, kasi mag-book ako ng ride nga, kasi nga pag gantong oras kasi mga 9:25 itong oras, traffic pa dito sa Manila and pahirapan makasakay lalo pag may dala ka. Hindi lang ang mga ganito, mahirap sumakay, kaya mas maganda para convenient ka, mag-book ka na lang ng angkas. Tingnan muna natin yung price. Tayo na po. Let's sit here guys and book a ride. Meron dyang ano, rent a car. Ano kaya yan? Rent a car. So, hindi tayo pwede dyan kasi isa lang, mag-isa lang naman ako. Kung pamilya siguro mas okay ang ganyan. Book lang tayo ng ride. Yes, joyride. Joyride muna tayo kasi kaso pag mahal edi ewan, joyride pa rin. Si taxi, book joyride. So pick up location dito. Use current location.
Gloria, basura mo.
Huh? Are you sure? Hindi pa naka-move on yung cellphone ko guys. Nasa Leyte pa yung ano niya. Nasa Leyte pa yung diwa niya. Drop off ay Campville, Alabang. Ito guys. So tingnan natin kung magkano. 201. So pwede na yan. Hindi na yan guys, 201 kasi medyo ano rin naman, medyo malayo.